Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a post-kit review. This is Miss Macaroon from Dreamer Designs. One of my favorite artists from Dreamer Designs, actually pretty much the only one I buy kits from so far, is Kurtis Rykovich, and I love all his paintings. So I will leave a link in the description below that takes you straight to his page. I also have a coupon code, so I'll put that information in the description below as well. This one in particular is sold out at the moment, but you can sign up to notify you if you want to do this kit. Okay, so let's talk about this kit for a second, right? So most of these ones for this artist that I'm familiar with are 60 by 80 centimeters. They are quite beastly, I'm not gonna lie. This one I actually started back in May. Oh, got a little husky fur there. I had started this one back in May, but what happened was I just kind of lost interest, and then I finally belted it out because honestly, overall, like the background, obviously you can see is color blocking, tons and tons of color blocking. However, once you start to get down here, you do get a little bit more confetti heavy. Honestly, not anywhere near as some of the kits I've done before. Lovely ABs like all throughout this kit. It is a round drill one. There were 54 colors though, so I mean you had a lot of colors playing around in this one. But yeah, as you can see, it's really pretty. Her hair is just flowing like all over the place in this image too. So I really liked this one, and I'm so happy I did finally finish it. I was like, oh my gosh, it's time already. So she has like these little macaroon cookies throughout, and they've got like little ABs to accent them. I think the face overall is not too bad. The rendering was pretty good. When I was putting down the drills at first, I was like, oh, this is kind of creepy. But after I got them down and stood back, because I mean, up close, your paintings always look a little wacky. But from afar, I was like, yeah, that's not bad. However, it could be better. But I love like her hair. It was so fun. Tons of ABs are in her hair. This kit had quite a few. They do their ABs differently. So Diamond Art Club does them using numbers below 150. Whereas Dreamer Designs just adds them at the end of their kits, and they'll say AB and then their code. And this one had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ABs, and you used them a lot. They're throughout her hair, different ones. I've got some light purple ones, some darker purple ones. We've got some blue sparklies, white sparklies, pink sparklies. It's everywhere. But yeah, this overall was a fun kit. I think Dreamer Designs is honestly underrated. Everyone, thinks of Diamond Art Club, but they're one of my favorites, especially because they have this artist. And I have one of his other kits I'll be unboxing today because I'll be doing it as part of Drills and Chills. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how pretty this one turned out. This is her fin right here in this pink. Loads of ABs in there. And I love how there was ABs throughout the scales. That part was at first daunting, but it turned out well worth it. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below, but let me know if you have worked on this kit before yourself. If you have a favorite artist from Dreamer Designs, I'd love to hear about it because like I said, I feel like they're kind of an underrated company, but they do great work and their shipping is excellent. They have really good sales too. Like if you're a brand new buyer right now, you can actually buy one, get one 50% off. So that's a steal. And these ones here for this particular artist are typically anywhere from $50 to $64.99. That said, they're huge canvases, so you're getting a lot. But they always have great sales and deals. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description below. And also, I will be giving this painting away. Completed painting, I'll be giving it away. So keep an eye out for information for that. I think it'll be fun to ship this to someone who's a subscriber and let them hang it on their wall or do whatever they want because it is gorgeous. I just have no room in my office. And my daughter said it's too scary for her. I think it's gorgeous. But all right, everyone. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, take care. Bye now.